In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a table in a rich text module in Hubspot. Whether you're enhancing your landing page with critical information or just organizing data more efficiently, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have a beautifully inserted table on your Hubspot landing page ready to be customized to your needs. So let's dive right in. First, we need to head over to the Hubspot website. Simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Hubspot homepage. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login button. This will take you to the login page where you can access your Hubspot account. If you're like many users these days, logging in with Google is a quick and convenient option. So go ahead and click on Sign in with Google. You'll be prompted to select the Google account you'd like to use. If prompted, confirm your identity, and you'll be redirected to your Hubspot dashboard. Next up, direct your attention to the navigation bar. Click on Content. Content. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll eventually insert your table. Once there, you should see an option labeled Landing Pages. Click on that to view all the landing pages you've created. From here, it's just a matter of selecting which landing page you want to edit. Click on the landing page that you wish to update with a table. Now, it's time to add the element that will hold your table. Look to the left panel of your Hubspot editor and click on the plus icon. This icon allows you to add various modules to your page. In the search bar that appears, type in Rich Text to find the Rich Text module. Once it appears, simply click and drag the Rich Text option over to your landing page canvas where you want your table to appear. Here comes the fun part, inserting your table. If you have a table saved in a CSV file, select it and copy the necessary data. Return to the Hubspot editor, and in the rich text module that you just added, paste the table from your CSV file. This shouldn't take more than a few seconds. Now that your table is in place, you have the freedom to adjust it to suit your preferences. Click anywhere on the table to reveal options for adjusting the columns, rows, and formatting to fit your needs. You can adapt the table's appearance to better integrate with your landing page's design, align text, and change font styles if necessary. And there you have it. You've successfully inserted a table into a Hubspot rich text module. With these simple steps, you're now equipped to organize your data attractively and effectively on your Hubspot landing pages. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!